Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in last video already I have seen, right? So I have discussed about all important constructor what we have in our string class, right? So guys, so this is guy in this video you can see my image as well, right? So in front of you my image also is visible, right? So okay guys. So guys, in this video I am going to explain what all those methods we have in string class, and this method how we are going to use frequently in our application, right? That is the most important topic, right? So generally most of the method we use in our application, but we don't know exact what the use of them, right? Why we are going to use that respective method. So in this video completely I will explain what all those important method we have in our string class. So guys, see, I will write the code in front of you and I will run the application as well, and we can see what result is coming as expected or not as per our respective method guide, right? So guys, see, I will open my ID, right? Already I have opened my ID and we are doing our application, right? In our this package, right? So in com.app.java testing test, right? Yes. So guys, in this package I am going to get one what class you can see here. So guys, so this class name will be a string method, right? A string method, because in this class we are going to check all our important method in a string class, right? So our class name is string method test, right? Yes. And guys, we should have one main method. That's why I click the main method and finish. So we can see our class has created along with our main method, right? Because main method is important to execute our application, right? You know very well. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. So guys, please be concentrated. So what I am going to explain all the method, it is very important for your knowledge sake as well as your certification or your interview point of view. So all the aspect this topic is very important, because we are going to learn all the method what we have in our string class, and generally all the method we are frequently used in our application, right guys? So guys, I will start with our first method, right? So guys, that is first method guys in our string class, char it. What guys? So guys, first method your char it method, right? Char it method. So guys, this is very important method. Most of the candidates knows this thing very well, right? But the guys who don't know, so for them it will be right. So guys, see what is the exact what behavior of this char it method. Guys, see, basically char it method is what it find the character will in which index. Yes or no? It will find the character is which index, correct? Suppose if you're going to find this character, right? So if you're going to find any respective character in given string in which index, so it will return the our index value, right? Not index value, right? Index character value. So what is the index of 3D value of what character, correct? So guys, see, I will write one, I'll create one string, right? Suppose guys, string s equals to, right? String s equals to what? String s equals guys, suppose Java, right? Yes or no? Yes. So this is our string object. Guys, see, suppose if you want to find, so on third index, right? You know very well, right? So a string is what? Index based, right? So that you can see on the second index 0 1 2, on second index what the character is available get. So guys, you can see I can print what sys out, and I can call this respective method what we are going to what discuss here. So char it method, right? So guys, see s dot guys, you can see in string class we have so many methods guys. You can see here how many methods we have in our string class. So guys, it depends upon the what requirement. It depends upon the requirement. We can use any method, right? Whatever what the method we have in our string class. But as of now, we are learning here cat8 method. What it does exactly. So it will find the exact character on which index. Yes or no? So guys, see s dot, right? S dot. If I can give, see first method guys, cat8, right? So guys, it expect integer value guys. It expect integer as an index. Guys, see if I'm going to click that, so you can see on 0 index or 1 index. Suppose this time if I want to find on second index what is the value we have in our string, right? So in string you get very well, right? We know very well, right? So string is a what sequence of character, right? It is a collection of character, right? So you can see this is a string guy, yes or no? So in the string we have J, A, B, A. These all are character, right? So this character, so V on second index, what is the character guy? V, right? So guys, once we'll run the application, we'll see what the result is going to print guys. So guys, our expected guy what? V, yes or no? Expected result is V. So guys, see this V is printing or not. Guys, see. So what I have told. So V is printing or not? Yes guys. The V is printing. So guys, also we can see here, right? So as per expectation, the character is printing as per our second index. Guys, yes or no? So guys, this is cat8 method. If you want to find the respective character which available on which index. So index number 2, what the character is available. Cat8 guy. Cat means character, at means which location. Okay, so on second location, in second index, what is the value of what character, right? So guys, this is our first method guy. But in this method, I will tell you one more thing. I will tell one more thing. What is that? Guys, see. Suppose if I am going to find, just I am going to copy and paste here. See guys, if I am going to find index number 20, guys, see if I want to find index number 20, what is the character? What is the character at index 20? Guys, can you tell me? Can you confirm me here? So do we have any character on index 20? No at all. Yes or no guys? No at all. So guys, you know for that purpose what response, what the output will print guys. So guys, it will print what? String index auto bound exception guys. What guys? It will expected output is what? A string index out of bound. See, this is printing or not? This exception is coming or not? Guys, this is our learning, right? This is our learning. If you want to become an expert, what? Developer. So you should have all the knowledge, all the concept. Yes or no? So guys, see, if anybody asks in the interview, hey, do you know what is string index auto bound exception? Because you know very well what array index auto bound exception. But guys, also in our Java, a string index auto bound exception also may arise. Okay, so guys, see, we'll run the application, we'll see the result. It's coming expected exception or not. Guys, you can see in front of you, I'm running the application, right? Guys, you can see. 1 minute. Guys, see java.lang.string index auto bound exception coming out. String index auto parents 20 because we don't have, right, 20 index in this string Java, correct? Yes or no guys? So guys, that is the what two way how we can check our what respective character in our in respective string or not, correct guys? So guys, this is the first method, what cat8 method, right? So I hope you understood, right guys? Then guys, we have second method guys, concat method, right? Okay, now I will learn what is concat method, guys. So second method, guys, what is concat method? First one, guys, caret method, we understood. Then guys, second is what? Concat method. All the methods are very very important, guys. What, guys? All the methods are very very important. So we need to understand all the method, because this all the method, guys, we are using frequently in our application, guys. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. So what is concat method? So if you're going to what? Add to a string, right? If you want to add to a string to object, right? Then how are you going to concat? Concat means adding, right? So let's see, if your object a string s1 equals to what? Java, right? Java. No, if you will have one string Java, right? And get, if you want to concat, right? If you want to concat, so s1 dot, guys, you can see concat method will available in our string class, right? You can see a concat. So guys, this concat method expect a string argument, a string parameter, guys. Yes or no, guys? See, so if I'm going to concat, suppose what? Mind. What, guys? I'm going to what? Concat mind as a literal, as a string, right? Guy, you know very well, right? A string is a, guy, what? A string is a immutable object, right? A string is a immutable object, right? So we cannot what? We cannot, right? What? Modify or what? And change anything in what? Existing object, correct? So it will create one new object. If on the runtime, if you are going to call concat method, right? If you're going to call concat method, that means runtime, it will create one new object. Yes or no, guys? So guys, you can see here. So s1 equals to s1 dot concat mind, right? Then guys, if you want to see the respective will be coming or not, so guys, you can print, right? Sys out, right? Where you can see, if you're going to print s1, then what should be the result, guys? What should be the result? I will run the application in front of you. We'll see the result. What is coming, guys? Little bit, 1 minute. First need to, okay, because this is not needed for us, right? So we can run the application, guys. We'll see the result, right? Yes or no? Yes. Let's see. So Java mind coming out, guys. So s1.concat mind, right? So guys, that purpose we are going to create one new object, and that new object we are going to print, guys. So guys, you can see that is Java mind coming or not, guys. This is our expected result, right? When we are going to call our concat method, guys. Yes or no? Then we are going to call concat method. So this is the expected result, guys. Guys, you know one thing. You should know one thing also, guys. What? So instead of, guys, this line, instead of this line, if we are going to use plus operator, guys. What, guys? Plus operator. You know very well, right? What is the plus operator? Guys, see, so if you're going to use s1 equals to s1 what? Plus, right? And you're going to use mind, right? Mind, correct? So guys, see what result will print, guys. So guys, same result it will print. Same result it will print, guys. So guys, this is help of what? Our operator, guys. This is guys plus operator, guys. You can see, guys, we'll run the application, we'll see the result. So without concat method also we can use our what? We can concat our string. Guys, this is one approach, guys. This is second approach, guys. Guys, in the operator only we can use in this way also, guys. So s1 plus equal to what? equal to what guy? Yes or no guy? Then also we can see what result is printing guy. In this case guy, also result will be same guy. You can see here guys, see Java main. So guys, these all are approached if you want to concat to a string, right? If you want to concat to a string, these all are the approach. Okay, this already understood. This is concat method guy. Yes or no? This is guy concat method. Now guys, we have third method, right? In a string class guy, which is very important method guy, that is equals method guy. What? Equals method, which is very important here. Which is very important. Okay, that is our equals method guy. So guys, you know very well, right? So equals method guy. What equals method? So equals method is used to check the content comparison in a string class. Okay, this thing you should know first, right? So equals method is used to check the content compare of two objects in a string class, in terms of a string class. But you know very well, so equals method also we have in our what? Object class. In object class, equals method behavior is different. In object class, equals method is used to check the what? Reference compare. But we are going to override in our string class as per our requirement. Okay, so you can say equals method in string class is override version, right? This is the override version of what? Equals method in string class. That's why in string class, equals method is used to check content compare, not what? Reference compare. Okay, yes or no? So guys, that is the main important point. So guys, here we can consider what example, right? So guys, see, you can see here a string, right? String s2. A string s2 equals to what? A string s2 equal to what guy? Java, right? Okay, a string s equal to Java, correct? Yes. Then guys, suppose if you are going to call equals method, guys, see, so sys out, right? So s2 dot equals method guy, you can see here equals method, right? Equals method guy, s2 dot equals method guy. If you want to write here Java guy, can you confirm me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what will be the output guy? What should be the expected output guy? If you're going to what? If you're going to call the equals method, right? So I am going to pass a s2 is equal to Java, right? I am going to check s2 dot equals Java. So guys, the result will be what? The result will be true or false guy? Guy, it is completely false. It's completely false. Guy, why you know? First, I will run the application. If result will come false, then I will explain you. Okay? Guys, see false. Coming or not? So as expected, false is coming. So might be most of you know very well, right? Why false is coming? Guy, equals method, it will consider case. You can see guy. So s2 is a uppercase, but what the string I am going to compare, that is our lowercase. So that way s2 object is not equal to our this object, because this is uppercase, this is our lowercase. That's why guy, the result is coming here false, because equals method result true or false. Yes or no? Equals method result return the result as a true or false. So guys, what we understood? So by default, equals method in string class what? Compare the content. Compare the content guy. Guys, sometimes our requirement is not check case guy. Sometimes guy, our requirement maybe we cannot we are not going to check the case. Guys, tell me, then what will be the solution for that? Suppose if you are not going to check the case, you can see here in the line number 21, S2 is Java, but it is uppercase. But what the object we are going to compare with S2, that is lowercase. That's why result is coming false. But guys, you know, sometimes you may have requirement we are not going to check the case. We no need to check the case. Then in that case, what the method we have in our string class? Guys, in that case, we have one most what beautiful what method, that guy equal ignore case. As the name refers, guys, as the name refers, equal ignore case. You ignore the case if you want to compare two objects, guys. Then the result will become what? True only. Yes or no, guys? I will show this thing. Don't worry. So guys, we have one method, right? That beautiful method is, guys, what? You know, equal ignore equal ignore case. Okay, what this method does? Don't worry. I will copy this thing and paste method, guys. Method number. S3. I'm going to remove entire thing here. I can check S3 dot equal ignore case. Guys, see, this is the one method what we have in our string class. So guys, that method what it does, guys, you know, it is ignoring the case. It will ignore the case. It will asking what is your second string by which we are going to compare. So guys, see, I can clear this one, right? Guys, see, if I want to compare with this string, yes or no? Guys, see, now if I'm going to print the result, then guys, this time result will come, right, true only, guys, because it's expected, because we have used equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. That time we are not going to check the case. We are ignoring the case. Whatever the case you are going to pass, that should be what? Check. So only it will check the case, guy. If you are going to put to Java 1, then it will not give the true result, because string itself different. But if case wise is different, then it will return the true result, guy. Guy, I will run the application in front of you. Will see result. Guy, see true. Guy, tell me it is true coming or not? Guy, coming. Tell me it is true or not, because it's expected, guy. This result is as expected. Okay. So guy, you know one thing, right? So most of the my offline student, okay, when I'm taking the offline class, so most of the candidate asking, sir, can you tell me some real-time scenario where we are going to equals method, where we are going to use the equal ignore case in our project, in our application. Okay. So guys, see, for information as well. So equals method, guy, you know, or equals ignore case, where you no need to check the case, just like a username. So username may be uppercase, lowercase, mixed case, right? So guys, that time you can check what? Equals what? Ignore case. Yes or no? Guys, suppose if you're going to create the mail ID, uppercase, lowercase, alphabet, anything, guy. So in that case also you can use what? Equal ignore case. But guy, you need to understand, but if you're going to keep your password, that is a case sensitive. That is case sensitive, guy. That time you need to use equals method only. Because suppose first alphabet, then lowercase. Because that time, guy, you need to check what? Your equals method. Yeah, simple. That means for password purpose. So if you're going to use, you can use what? Equals method. If username, mail ID, that thing, if you want to use, that time you can use equals ignore case. Okay, that is our real time what? Scenario where we can use equals ignore case and where we can use equals method. Okay, that is our fourth method. Okay, that is our fourth method. Okay, now we can explain some other method, okay, which is most important in our string class. Guys, see. So guys, method number 5th. Method number. So method number 5th guys. What is the method? Is empty. Right? Is empty. You know very well, right? Is empty is also one method. Guys. Yes or no? Is empty is also one method. So guys, what is empty method does? What is empty method does guys? So that thing also you need to understand, because this is also one of the most important method in our string class. Guys, see. So for understanding purpose, I will create first one string object. String s4 equals to what? That empty string. Yes or no? That is empty string. Guys, see, the string is empty or not. How we are going to check? How we are going to check the string is empty or not? So guys, see, we can print the statement, right? Sys out, right? And guys, s4 dot is empty. We have one method guys, is empty. Also return type is boolean. So it will what? Return the boolean result. If a string is empty, it return true. Otherwise, it return false. Guys, see. So this time guys, return will get false only, right? Because we don't have any what? In the string it's empty guys. We don't have any character in this string guys. Yes or no? Guys, see. We'll run the application. We'll see the result. What I've told. So we are going to check the is empty method, right? So you can see it. So return coming false or not guys, because we don't have any what? String length, right? So string is empty. Guys, you can see here. Result is coming false. Yes or no guys? So I hope you understood guys. So this is the method by which you can check respective string is what? Empty or not. Okay, you can see. Suppose in this case, suppose if we have a string, guys, see. Suppose if I want a string, in the string, suppose is Java, right? Okay. And guy, now if you want to call is empty method, guy, tell me, is it empty or not? Guy, can you confirm is empty or not? Not at all. Guy, this method is not empty. So then how we can check? We can run the application, right? We'll see the result. Okay? It's S. But this is empty or not? So S5. Already we have some length of the string. Okay? So guys, we can see this is not an empty string now. Okay? We can execute the application. We'll see the result guys. So guys, this time our expected output is what? True. Because we don't have empty string. So is it empty? No. In this case, we have guys, I have misunderstood. So guys, this time result is true guys. So why? Because this time our string is guys obviously what? Empty. Yes or no guys? Our string is empty guys. But guys, you can see this time our string has some length. So guys, this is not empty. Okay? So guys, this time it will put the false result guys. So guys, it's my bad miss. I misunderstood. So guys, so this time you can see. So guys, this line number 29, you can see our string is guys empty, right? We don't have any string in that, right? So guys, that's the result is true guys. But you can see guys, in this line number 31, we are passing some string. Definitely guys, this string is empty. No guys, it will return the false guys. You can see. Guys, see coming expired or not? So guys, this time our string is empty. That's why it's true. But guys, this time our string is not empty. That's why it false. Okay, I hope you understood this method as well. So how this method works in our string class, right? So how it will check the string is empty or not. Okay, then method number 6. Okay, see all the method you know very well it seems, but how we're going to use all the method in a project, that is the main thing, right? How we're going to check. Okay, the next method is what? Length method. Okay, what method? Okay, so we have one most important method in our string class, that is get our length method, right? Length method. Okay, what this method does? Okay, this method will find out the length of a respective string. What string we are going to create? So what is the exact length of the string? So with the help of this method, we can able to find the length of a string. Let's see. Suppose a string equals to what? Java mind. What? Java mind. Okay. So okay, we can call length method again. So see, sys out, right? Out s6 dot se dot s6 dot, okay, because this is the now then s6 s6 dot, okay, we have one length method. Okay, you can see here length method, right? So okay, with this length method call, we can see what our length of the respective string. Guys, see, tell me what is the length of the string here. So 1 2 3 4 8 guys, yes or no? Guys, see, we'll run the application, we'll see the result coming expected or not. Guys, see, coming or not? 8 guys, same thing I've told you, right? So guys, it will find the length of an our string. Guys, one small important what concept here. So you know very well, right, what is length method and what is length variable, right? So in our array class, we will have one length method, length variable. Okay, in our array class, we will have one length variable. So length variable is used to check the length of an array, but a string class length method is used to check what? Length of an string. So length variable is used to check the length of an array. This is variable, but guys, this length method is a method by which we can check the length of a respective string. Right guys? So guys, see, suppose int array arr equals to, right, suppose 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. See about array, right? Guys, see, suppose if I want to check the length of an array, right? So guys, see, sys out, so arr dot length. Okay, you can see here, it written our integer return type, right? Length here. So guys, you can see this time our length of array, how much? 5, yes or no? Okay, so we'll run the application, we'll see the result here. What result is printing here? Guys, yes or no? Okay, length of in array is what, guys? 5. So guys, I hope you understood. Guys, one thing to keep in mind. So if by mistake, if you using here what? S6 dot length variable. Guys, see, copy this thing and come here. What guys? If you use, suppose this is S8, okay, this is S7 input, S7, okay, and again this S7, right? S7. Instead of guys method length method, if you are going to use length, guys, see directly the ID itself, no need to tell the compiler. IDE itself telling what? Some mistake is going to happen. See, length cannot be resolved or is not a field. Even guy, if you run the application, we'll see the result. What result is printing? You can see. Unresolved compilation problem, because we cannot use length variable for the string. Yes or no? For the string guy. The same thing you can reverse here, right? You can see for reverse. You are using here what? Length method. Is possible? No guy, not at all. See guy, it will throw error guy. ID itself. What can see guy? So cannot invoke length method, right? On the array type in, because in array we don't have length method, we have length variable. Guys, same thing. If you run the application, we'll see the result. What is going to print guys? Same thing. Compile. Length can resolve, not a field guy. See, comparison error guy. So guys, I hope you understood, right? So guys, if you're going to use length variable for finding the length of a string, is it not possible guys? Okay? Same if you're going to use length method for the array, is it not possible? Okay guys? So guys, this is the most important thing you need to keep in mind. Writing this thing, but you need to what? Understand. Okay. Length method and length variable. Right guys, see, after that I'm going to what? Discuss here one most important other method. Okay, that is method number, that is what? Replace method. Get what? Replace method. Replace method. Okay. What is replace method? Now what? Let's see, if I am going to create one string object, right? See guys, if I'm going to create one string object, string it equals to what guys? Suppose a b b a b b. Okay, this is our string. This is our string guys. Yes. Okay. So guys, see, suppose if I want to replace, a to b, whatever a we have in our string, we need to convert into b. We need to replace into b guys. So guys, that time you know what we can call? We can call one beautiful concept, that is replace method guys. So guys, see, sysout and s8 dot replace guys. We have one method guys, replace. See guys, see, replace. Yes or no? So what is the old character and what is the new character guys? So if you're going to call this, right? See guys, so if we are going to a character replace with get b character, right? Replace with, because this expect character input get two character, old character and new character get. So guys, see the b. So I want to replace a to b, whatever a we have, right? See, as of now, so this a we have one index 2 3 4 5. So guys, after replacing this guy, result will get completely what? 7 times of b guy. Guys, see, so this result we are getting or not, we'll run the application, we will see the result guy. Then we'll come to know our replace method working. Anyway, guys, see, it's coming as explained on what I have told you guys. So guys, that is our replace method, which is also most important method in our testing class. Correct guys? Yes. Guys, that is our what? Replace method guys. Then guys, next method what we have in our string class guys, that is our what? Substring guys. What is guys? Substring. Right guys, see, substring means guys, so if you want to what? This method returns bn index, what guys? Bn index to the end of the string. What guys? This method return what guys? Bn index to the end of the string. Suppose if you will write in the what? Substring method 3 as an index. So after third index, whatever the character will be there, it will return guys. So I will guess so. Don't worry guys. So guys, the method is what? Substring. Substring method. Substring method. Suppose guys, if you have a string, right? If you have one string, so a string s9 equals to what? Equals to guys, suppose Java this is our channel name. Yes or no? So guys, if you want to find after Java what is the string, so let's see after fourth index, right? So JAV after fourth index, what is the string we have, right guys? So guys, see, I'm going to print that one. So guys, see, s9 dot substring guy, then you're going to pass guy index number 4. Then guy, you can tell me what is the expected result guy. So guys, see, it will find out after the index 4 what is the string. So guys, see, JAV, that is the index number 4. After 4 mind techie, right? So that it will print what? Mind techie. Guys, see, this is our expected output. What? Mind techie. Mind. Guys, see, I will run the application. We'll see the result. Mind techie coming or not? So guys, this is our substring method. Guys, also you should know one thing. It's very important concept. So guys, if you're going to by mistake, if you write here, but if you are going to write manually, guys, if you're writing here s, so guys, this is not a method. This is not a method. So guys, for this you should write what? This one. Substring is a method. Guys, a part of that. So guys, for substring guy, we have one more method guy. We have one more method. So guys, as of now, what you can see here. So after the index 4, whatever string you have, it is printing. Yes or no? But guys, sometimes you know, if you want to print, so index 4 to index 5, index 4 to index 9, what will be the character? So guys, it expects two input: int initial, int start, int end. So between these two index, what the character you have, that only we need to print. So guys, that purpose we have one more substring method that expect two input guys. Guys, substring method which require what? Two input. Two like what? Start index and what? End index. End index. Okay. So see how I'm going to write this code here. So let's see, suppose string s10 equals to what? Same guy, Java. Okay. Yes, no guy. So guys, see, if I want to print, so index 4 and index what? 10. What is the string? What is the we have string, right? So let's see, sys out so s10 dot substring. Okay, you can see here this method string, it expect two input guys. Yes, so int begin index, int end index. Guys, see, so guys, see, if I'm going to pass here start index as a 4 and guy end index is a 10 guy, then tell me what the result it should print guy. Guy, see, this is 4 index, so MIND guy, this is what? 8 index, right? Then guy, if I can write here guy 8 index, then guy it will print what? Mind. Yes or no? So guy, our expected output mind only, right? In between this index, what is the result, right? So 5 6 7 5 6 7 8, or guys you can put here 9. Okay, then you can see mine should be printed. So guys, we'll run the application, we'll see the result, it's coming expected or not. Guys, see, it is taking till 9. So you can, if you're going to print here 8, then guys it will print what? Mine. Okay, let's see. Guys, you understand, right? I hope guys you are understanding. Are you with me, right? So guys, what we understood, if you want to find the what for respective string between two index, index 4 and index 8, what is the string we have, that thing we will print with the help of this substring method, which expect to input is a start index and end index. So guys, this is our what? Guys, you know one thing, right? This is our what? So return index, guys, you know. So whatever the you're going to pass our start index and what? Guys, that is a end index. Between that result will print guys. Okay. So guys, that is the most important method we have in our what? String class. That method guys is 9th method, right? So we have two substring method. One method is expect only one input, and second method is expect two input. Guys, see. Then we have one most also an important method, that is guys what? Index of. What guys? That is method number 10. What guys? Index of. Index of method. Index of method. Okay, what this method does guys? What this method does? So guys, it will find out the index. It will find out the respective index of the given string. Guys, see, with example guys. String S11 guys. Yes or no? Equals to what guys? Suppose if you have some string guys. Suppose string is guys Java mind. Suppose our string is Java mind. Right? So if you want to find the index of respective character. Yes or no guys? See guys. So sys out and guys S11 dot index of, you can see guys we have method index of, right? So index of, and guys this method expect character input. So see guys A, so A is available on which index? Guys, see, if I'm going to pass character, right? Because this method expect character value, right? So guys, see, tell me this A character is available on which index guys? So 1 2 3 4. So guys, expected output should be 4 only, right? Guys, see, we'll run the application, we'll see the result guys. Guys, see. Okay guys, sorry, by mistake I have told you this thing. So I bad miss. It's my bad miss. So guys, one concept is there. So if you have multiple character, if you will have multiple character repeating, guys, see, you can see here JAVA JAVAMIND. So A is repeating guys. So if in a string, if you have two same character, so it will give occurrence first. Which is the first occurrence of the index, that position it will give. Where you can see. So guys, this is our what? Is the A is our 0 1 first index guy? Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no? Or guys, what you can understood? So suppose if I am going to write here V, right? So guys, you can see what the result will print guys. Then we'll come to know. I will tell this concept in later. Guys, you can see. So guys, 0 1 2, right? So guys, this V is coming on guys which index? 2. Yes or no? Why? Because you can see V is there our second index. Okay, if you want to find here J, right? So J is available in our which index? Guys, you can see J is in our 0 index. Guys, I hope you understood, right? Guys, This is guy one concept, but index of guy two, three concept guy. In our index of we have three concept. So this is considered first. So if the character is not repeating, guy you can see here J is a not repeating character. So guy whatever the what index of that character it will print. You can see here. So J is the our zero index. Guy B is the second index. Already you have seen that. Yes or no? Guy one question now. One thing that means second second behavior is what guy? You know, suppose in this string, suppose in this string X is not there guy. See. So guy, first I will tell you this is scenario. This is first scenario. Okay. First scenario. Okay. Now second scenario. What? Second scenario. Guys see. If you will have suppose in a string guy you don't have character as a S. Tell me. S is there in a string? No guy, right? If in the string the character is not there, what you want to find out the index of that respective character guy. Guys see. Guys see. So guys in this I can change the string here. Java, right? And guys this is our suppose next string. Guys you can see, suppose if I am going to print, I'm going to print here X. I'm going to pass here X character. Okay, can you tell me? So X is available in this string? No guys. So guys it will print -1. Guys what it will print? -1. That is guys feature. That is the internal implementation of a string. Sorry, our what index of method. So if the character is not available in respective string, if character is not available in our respective string, it will print -1. Guys we'll see. Then we'll come to know is coming yes or no. Let's see. Coming or not? -1. Okay. This is a second scenario guys. Now guys I will explain third scenario. I will explain third scenario guys. Guys see, so many things are there. You need to understand. Then we'll come to know. Okay. This is our third scenario. So guys what is third scenario? Please be concentrated. I will explain third scenario as well here. Okay. Guys in S13, so suppose this is our string. This is our string I'm taking here. Okay. So guys see third string is what? If A is repeating, you can see right? A is repeating, right? So what will be the index of A? What will be the index of A guy? That time guy, you know what is the initial in starting? What is the start index of A? You can see guy first and guy second, third. So guy it will not print third index. It will print a starting onwards. Okay. So it will print 1 guy because A is repeating here, right? But which is the starting index of A guy? So first it will come 1, then it will come 3. So it will print as a 1 only. Yeah, you can see. Because you can see A is repeating, right? This place also coming, this place also coming. If character is repeating in the string, so what the index will come first, that it will print here. You can see here. Guys see, printing 1 or not? Not printing 3. Right? Guys, this is our 3 scenario of our index of method guys. what guy? All three methods are our index of method guy. Correct guy? Yes. So guy, this is our what? Index of method guy. Now guy, I will explain one more method. That is guy, last index of what guy? The method number 11. That is guy, last index. Our last index of method. As the name refers guy, it will find the last index. See what is the last index of the respective character guy. Yes or no guy? So let's see. So let's understand with some example. So S string S14 equals to what guy? Suppose if you write here what? Java mind. Yes or no? Java mind. Correct? Yes. Then guy, if you want to call the last index, call the last index of what? Suppose if you are going to call the last index of what? A. Right? So sys out S14 dot last index. You can see guys, last index. It is expect character input only. Last index of what? Respective character. Suppose guys, if I'm going to write here I. Right? So you can see here. Okay, because guy, D is our guy, what? Character, right? So we are going to pass here D. Right guy? Yes. So guy, what is the last index of respective character guy? So guys, see, once I will run the application guy, it will print our result guy. Yes or no? Guys, is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coming out guy. So guys, that will print our last index of D. What is the index of the last character guy? So guys, it will print that thing. Correct guy? Yes or no? So guys, that is all the important method we have in our what? A string what? Class. Guys, see, if you want to find second index, third index, fourth index, so we don't have such type of method in our string class. If you want to find the second index or third index, fourth index, so guys, we don't have such type of method in our string class. So for that you can write what? What? Custom method to find out the respective index. But we have index of and last index of. These two methods we have in our string class by which we can find out our respective requirement. Guy, yes or no? Guy, then next method, that is 11. Now it is 12. Method number 12. Guy, that is 2 lowercase. You know, right? 2 lowercase. 2 lowercase method. 2 lowercase method. Guy, you know very well, right? Anyhow, I will explain here. Don't worry. So guys, S string S15 equals to it. Suppose S string is guy J A V A M I N D. Right? So some is uppercase, some is lowercase, right? Yes or no? Yes. So guys, see, if you want to call what? Lowercase method to lowercase, means whatever S string you have, in this case it will come to the lowercase. Guys, see how. This out. So guys, S15 dot 2 lowercase. Guys, you can see in our string class this method is 2 lowercase. Yes or no? Okay. So guys, it will convert mixed case to lowercase. So guys, all the case will be guys in lowercase. So Java mind. In that way, it will print the result. Guys. You can see. Not We have past here, J is capital, A is capital, but it is a printing as a all are lowercase. Correct guys? So guys, that is our 12 method. Method number 12. Right? Okay. Same like we have one method also, it is important, but we are also using generally in our application. That again method is 13. That is again 2 uppercase. What guys? Now we are going to change lowercase. Now if you want to change, all the string are in uppercase here. Guys, see that time only you need to call the uppercase method. 2 uppercase, nothing else here. See guys, this place you can call what? In dot what? 2 uppercase. See guys, 2 uppercase, we have one method, right? Uppercase. Guys, see in that you know what result will print guys. So every character of this respecting string will print in our uppercase. So Java mind. Yes or no? We can see the result is coming expected or not. I see coming. Well, these are all 13 important what method we have discussed in our testing class, right? These are all method we have in testing class, which is mostly we are going to use our application. Guys, that's from this video. If you like my video guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, so guys, in next video don't miss. Okay, I am going to explain one most beautiful method, most important method, that is trim method guys. TRIM, trim method. You know it, how you're going to trim your beard, right? How you're going to trim your beard? Same there guys. In our Java also in string class, one trim method there, which is used to trim the string object. But guys, we have one most beautiful method in our string class that is used to trim the string object. String object space. String object space they are going to trim with the help of trim method, just like what we are going to beard in the saloon. So guys, the interesting topic I am going to bring in next video guys. So for that time, thank you, bye bye. We'll meet very soon in trim method concept in next video guys. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel guys and share among your friends. Thank you guys, bye bye. We'll meet very soon.